For this lesson today, I'm going to introduce you to the very basic operations on algebra. Why do we need the 4 basic operations of algebra? First, usually we use algebra to replace a numeric term. For example, you can use an A to replace an aeroplane, and if you have 2 aeroplanes, you can have A plus A. Second, you can use algebra to represent an item. Come, let's view on the 4 basic operations on algebra. First, we go to addition. In addition, if you look at the diagram here, there is an apple and there is a banana. Can we add these 2 fruits together? Can anyone tell me why? The answer is no. Why? Because they are not the same kind of object. Similarly, with algebra, we can only add similar objects or those with the same letter raised to the same power. Let's look at the next example now. We have 3 sunflowers, add 3 rows, add another 2 sunflowers. What could be the answer be? Well, the answer will be 5 sunflowers. Why 5 sunflowers? Because they are of the same kind of flowers. Whereas rose is another type of flowers. So that is why we cannot add up the different types of flowers together. Okay, let's look at an equation here. We have here 3a plus 4b plus 7a plus 4c. So when you want to add up, you have to gather or group all the similar terms together. So if I want to add up these equations here, the answer will be 3a plus 7a equals to 10a plus 4b plus 4c. Why can't we add them up together? Because they are of the similar algebra. A can only be added up with A, whereas B is a standalone variable, so you cannot add it up with A. Same goes as well to C. Okay, let's look at another example now. If you have 8m plus m plus 6n plus 4n, what will your answer be? Let's have a guess here. We have 3 options answers here. We have A, 19mn, B, 14m plus 5n, C, 9m plus 10n. So, the first answer is wrong. Second option is wrong as well. Those who chooses the third answer will be the correct answer. Why? Because 8m can only be added with m. So 8 plus 1 will be 9m, 6 plus 4 will be 10n. Now, let's go for the second operations, which is subtraction. Similarly like addition, if you have 2 apples minus a banana, can we subtract these 2 fruits? The answer is no. Why? Again, same like addition, only the same variables can be added up together, so because they are not the same kind of object. Similarly with addition, we can only subtract similar objects or those with the same letter raised to the same power. Okay, let's look at this equation now. If we have 7w minus 4y minus 2w minus 4z, we can only subtract the like terms, which means we must regroup the terms. Okay, let's try these examples now. If you have 6m minus by 6n minus by m minus by 4n, what will your answer be? You have three options here. A, you have m to n. B, you have 14m plus 5n. And C, you have 5m minus by 2n. So the correct answer will be C, which is